Ricky and Rosie in the forest. Once upon a time, in the heart of a colorful forest in Canada, two adventurous raccoons named Ricky and Rosie lived in a cozy den under a giant maple tree. Ricky had a shiny gray coat and a fluffy striped tail, while Rosie had soft brown fur and twinkling black eyes. They were not just best friends, they were known as the bravest explorers in the forest. One morning, Rosie stretched her paws and said, "Let's go on a real adventure today." Ricky's eyes lit up. "Great idea. Let's find something extraordinary." As they scampered through the forest, they spotted a brilliant red feather glowing in the sunlight. It shimmered as if it was made of rubies. Rosie gasped, "Wow, this is no ordinary feather." Meeting Pico the parrot, suddenly, a soft, melodic voice called out, "Help me." Ricky and Rosie turned to see a dazzling parrot with feathers as bright as a rainbow perched on a low branch. But the parrot's eyes were filled with worry. "What's wrong?" asked Ricky. The parrot sighed. "My name is Pico. I'm the guardian of the forest sky realm, but I've lost the crystal feather, which keeps our sky kingdom safe and beautiful. Without it, the sky will turn gray and stormy forever." Rosie's heart raced. "We'll help you find it." Pico flapped his wings with hope. "Thank you. But be careful. The feather was stolen by Gustav the mischievous magpie, who hides treasures deep in the Whispering Woods." Entering the Whispering Woods, Ricky, Rosie, and Pico set off on their quest, following the glowing trail of faint feathers Gustav had dropped. They climbed over fallen logs, jumped over bubbling streams, and tiptoed past sleeping deer. The forest grew darker as they approached the Whispering Woods, where the trees swayed and whispered as if alive. Rosie gulped. "It's a little spooky here." Ricky stood tall. "We've got this." Encountering Gustav the magpie, suddenly, a gust of wind whooshed past, carrying leaves in a swirl. "You'll never find it," cackled a raspy voice from above. It was Gustav, the sneaky magpie, perched high in the trees. He held the glowing crystal feather in his beak. "Come and get it if you dare." Gustav laughed and darted deeper into the woods. The raccoons set a trap. Ricky and Rosie raced after Gustav, but the magpie was fast. "We need a plan," puffed Ricky. Rosie spotted some tangled vines and had an idea. "Let's set a trap." They quickly tied the vines between two trees. Ricky called out, "Hey, Gustav, bet you can't catch us." Gustav swooped down, eager to show off, but, snap, the vines wrapped around him. "Hey, no fair," squawked Gustav, flapping wildly. Gustav caught in the trap. Pico flew up and gently took the crystal feather from Gustav's beak. "It's over, Gustav."
Gustav sighed. "Fine."
"I was only trying to make my treasure collection more colorful." Rosie giggled. "Next time, ask nicely." The crystal feather restores the sky. With the crystal feather in hand, Ricky, Rosie, and Pico hurried back through the forest. When they reached the open meadow, Pico held the feather high. It glowed brighter than ever, sending shimmering light into the sky. The clouds parted, and the sky turned a brilliant blue. Birds sang, and beams of sunshine danced through the trees. Pico flapped his wings joyfully. "You saved our kingdom. You're true he." A celebration under the stars. That evening, Ricky and Rosie returned home just as the sky turned orange and pink. Their mother was waiting with hugs and a warm dinner. After they ate, they lay outside under the twinkling stars. "We helped save the sky," whispered Rosie. Ricky nodded. "I can't wait to tell our friends tomorrow." As they drifted off to sleep, the magical feather in Rosie's paw shimmered softly, as if the sky itself was thanking them. And so, Ricky and Rosie dreamed of new adventures, knowing that whenever they were brave and kind, anything was possible.
In the heart of the forest where the water flows through, Ricky and Rosie set out ready to go. With Pico above and the wind at their side, they chased the horizon, their courage as their guide. Oh, Ricky and Rosie, brave as can be, through enchanted woods and the tallest trees, with a crystal feather glow. in a magical tune. Under the sun and the silver moon, they climbed and they ran through puddles and streams, living a journey beyond their wildest dreams. Gustav the magpie tried to hold tight, but friendship and kindness won.